Did you know Trump's son-in-law turned American secrets into a $2 billion payday? Just 6 months after leaving the White House, Jared Kushner walked away with $2 billion from Saudi Arabia's crown prince, despite having zero investment experience. Even Saudi advisors called it a terrible deal. But here's the shocking part. This wasn't random generosity. During Trump's presidency, he sold $110 billion in weapons to Saudi Arabia and refused to punish them when they murdered journalist Jamal Khashoggi. Court documents reveal Kushner met privately with the Crown Prince dozens of times in his final year, sharing classified intelligence about Saudi enemies. While Kushner was selling state secrets, Trump was cashing in too. His Washington hotel received millions from Saudi officials staying there. This created the largest pay-to-play scheme in presidential history. They literally sold American foreign policy for personal profit, turning the White House into their private cash machine. The Saudis weren't buying investments, they were buying influence, and Trump's family was more than happy to sell it.